Hello, my name is Ralph. I'm actually one of the senior managers here for Postscript at our ESC Center, and I'm excited to kind of showcase a little bit of our culture and who we are. So let's get started. So we'll start off with our Pod 4, where we actually have some of our brands here. True Classic is here. We've got Jalen here representing for them. We got some Cove. We got some shirts. This is kind of just our clothing rack, kind of where we go from it. We approach our Caraway section where we have a bunch of pans. We're looking at a little bit of everything here. We also have some of our Rich product here, some Hank's belts, and then some Fox and Colors jewelry down here. So as we see a little bit of the higher AOV. And then we've got some baby furniture over here for Lalo. Then we have our luxury pod. That is Brandon, that is Jackie. And then we actually have all of our makeup here. We've got it categorized, hands and powders, concealers, a little bit of everything. That's Rohit. We've got the Squatch Pod here, that's Jade, Tiffany, Meg. A little bit more of our product here, where we've got some Bubs, and then officially our Squatch and Sniff. And that's Gilman. What's up, Gilman? That is a tour of the ESC today.